What is up, everybody? The MSavage back with another video today. It's March 2nd, didn't even know that. This year is flying by already. We're already 3 months down. I'm trying to keep my boys down because people still sleep. But me and my girlfriend might get breakfast. It's about, why am I looking over there if I got my phone right? It's 7:58. We might go get breakfast. Nothing too special, just breakfast. I want to get into something today so I can have a little reason to vlog, because I don't really want to vlog around the house. But everything seemed to be on the up and up. I'm happy. I hope everyone else is happy. 2018 is pretty good so far. I have a camera, so that's good. I'm still figuring it out. I love it, but I want to do something today. I recorded a few things from Thursday, I think. We went out to get pizza at Rocky Rococo's.
Right side of it.
Nothing really special. It's just a whole lot of big rolls. In case you didn't know, picked up some new basketball shoes. But I'm gonna wrap this up because this is getting a little too long. So, yeah. How much? Okay, I'm gonna.
Biscuits and gravy.
You said what?
Biscuits and gravy. I want to have it out.
Are they open?
Yeah, that's weird.
175 and up. Alright. The settings may look a little different, and that's because I'm at my friend's house. We gonna get something to eat.
Am I broken?
My girlfriend's supposed to be choosing where we're eating at because we don't like the pressure on us. She is. Yeah.
Like that?
She's supposed to be choosing where we're gonna eat at, but she's not doing it so far. She's trying to put the pressure on us, but we don't want the pressure.
It's broken.
So
right?
wherever we eat at, just know I'm gonna record, get a little bit of footage. Like I said, we're at my friend's house right now. He's changing. He had slept over. We had a little late night basketball sesh. So
yeah, that way, panties.
The panty raid, whatever. So boo boo, where do you want to eat?
I always choose.
Where do you want to eat?
You're not gonna do this to me.
Where do you want to eat?
Why didn't Israel get to choose? He's the picky one.
Yeah, but we'll make him choose. Day 6. We still
haven't ate.
Still without food. He doesn't know what he wants. She doesn't know where we're going to eat. I don't know where we're going to eat. It's just Bear Grylls. We chose to eat at Fridays. So, let's see what we're gonna get from here. This is it's pretty chilly. Right off the highway. Right off the highway. Fun fact, I used to work here, not at Fridays, at Miller Park. So I'm real familiar with this. It smells so good. Yeah, I don't want to go outside yet, but we not eating at Fridays. It's a 35-minute wait. so we're not eating at Fridays. We're eating at Chili's instead. All right, so we just ate at Chili's, and it's pretty good, pretty good. Split the bill 3 ways because we're cool and we all get along. So now we're just at Target, our favorite retail shopping store. And I'm not taking a picture of him about the ball. All right, look, I had to take a picture of him about the ball because that's what he wants.
Nice shirt. I mean, it would be better if you on like a plain shirt and the sleeve.
Don't we love Target?
Mm-hmm.
Thanks.
Are out here at Target. We used to work for Target, but not actually the Target store. We used to work for the Target distribution center. Oh my God, those are nice.
There we go.
Today I will be talking about getting comfortable vlogging in public, in front of families, in front of your friends, even your girlfriend. So what I'm going to do today is show you guys how to vlog. Personally, it's not that big of a deal, okay? You're just talking to a camera. People talk to their camera all the time. People are always on Snapchat, you know, putting their business out there with silly filters. All vlogging is been in Target for almost 2.5 hours, and we haven't did anything, and we hardly have anything in the cart. So I don't know what we're gonna do. We're supposed to be going to Menards in about 5 minutes because Target is about to close. It's about 11:58.
Shut up, bro. It's like 7 o'clock.
It's about 11:58.
It's 7 o'clock.
We literally stayed in Target for as long as we could before they came and kicked us out. So now we're just headed to Menards. It's been a long day, you guys, but stay tuned, and I will.
It's only 8 o'clock.
Stay tuned for the $25 Amazon giveaway at the end of this month. All you have to do is like, sub, and comment. Woo! All right, you guys remember, just always drink. Yeah, get naked. Veggies. Naked is a wonderful supplier for all that. This is not sponsored. This is not sponsored. This is not an advertisement. I paid my own money for this, but I just really love their products. So we are here at Menards. Funny story. Me and my girlfriend woke up one day and we heard something crumbling, and it turns out our bedroom wall is actually caving in a little bit. So we're here at Menards hoping to find a little bit of drywall to kind of plaster that. We're just going to do that. We are here at Menards. I got a BB. All right, looking for some drywall here because my room is falling apart, and we just don't want it to fall on our head. So we'll rather do this now. We just picked up one of these here, but we got the little baby version. We're gonna just try to do this. We do a little DIY, y'all. We're gonna take y'all along on the trip. I saw this boy right here looking at some ass. I got my boy with me. He always wanted to be in the vlog, so I got him here. He don't have a camera, but it's all right. We're gonna make do with what we got. And then when we get up out of here, we're gonna edit this, chop this down. It's funny because I have the camera and he has the computer. It's funny. So we'll get out of here. We're soon to do a lot of fun stuff.
I got a camera.
And, hopefully.
Malik, it's right here.
Okay, he just found a camera. Menards was a success. We have everything we need to fix the hole in the wall. Will this car let us go? And yes, it will, because we have the right of way. Oh, look at the focusing. Okay, real quick, before I put out this, let this clip play, I recorded the audio straight from my camera. I don't have a mic yet. I knew I should have got one, but I'm a lazy bum. So here I was at Black Cat Alley with my friend Israel and my girlfriend. We really went to take pictures. It was really cold. The sound you're hearing in the first clip is the ventilation system and all that. But it was really fun. I really enjoyed it, so I hope you guys enjoy it. I really didn't do too much, and I was really complaining a lot, but I didn't let them know because I was just cold, but enjoy. I'm out here at Black Cat Alley, whatever. It's too cold for me to be trying to take pictures. I'm sorry if you can hear all that. I don't have a mic, so I'm sure you can hear all of the vents, but here we are at Black Cat Alley. with these two. Oh God.
MKE beats.
Topper's over here. And Ian's over here, ain't we?
Yeah, Ian is like right there.
Yeah.
Like shots of coffee on this.
Huh?